Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through stock indicators, strategies, and setups that leave you more confused than confident? The 4-candle strategy promises to cut through the clutter and teach you a simple, actionable way to pick stocks, without relying on complex tools or overwhelming analysis. But does it really deliver? In this review, we'll break down what the 4-candles course offers, how it works, its pros and cons, pricing tiers, real user feedback, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. Let's start with what the course is all about. Overview of 4-candles is a stock trading strategy built around identifying market structure using 4 candlestick patterns. It focuses on price action and simplicity, eliminating the need for multiple indicators. The strategy is taught through a 3-day live masterclass that includes actionable insights, live walkthroughs, and practical examples from the Indian and US markets. The method is designed for retail traders who often find traditional technical analysis overwhelming. The core promise is clear. You'll walk away with a rule-based system to find potential stock picks with better timing and confidence. What you get inside the 4-candle system includes a number of valuable components that go beyond a basic course. These include 3 days of live masterclasses with 24-hour replay access in case you missed the session. Lifetime access to a private Discord group for continuous learning and support. 2 bonus sessions for additional training and use case deep dives. A live Ask Me Anything session for direct Q&A with the instructor. A structured roadmap designed to take you from beginner to confident trader within days. The strategy is taught through a blend of theory, real market examples, and community-driven discussions. Who is it for? 4-candles is primarily for retail traders, beginners, or intermediate-level stock market enthusiasts who are tired of switching strategies. If you're someone who wants clarity and wants to follow a method that's not overwhelming, this course is tailored for you. It's also great for working professionals who can't dedicate full-time hours to learning trading. However, if you're an advanced trader looking for complex technical systems or macroeconomic models, this course might feel too basic. Pros and cons. Let's break it down objectively. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly and does not assume prior expertise. Strategy is rule-based and easy to implement. Real success stories from past cohorts validate its usefulness. Replay access and bonus training give extended learning time. Discord support offers help and idea sharing even after the course. Cons: the course is time-bound. If you miss the live sessions, you rely heavily on recordings. It may not appeal to experienced traders looking for sophisticated tools. The Discord support is general and not personalized one-on-one coaching. Pricing and plans. There are 4 pricing tiers for the 4-candles course. The basic 3-day masterclass at $99. A split pay option at $47 in 2 parts. The red carpet access at $197. Which includes more mentorship layers. The inner circle at $297, for those who want premium access to future trainings and direct mentor interactions. Each tier builds on the last in terms of support and access. For most beginners, the basic or red carpet tiers are more than sufficient. Ratings and user feedback. Here's how the course has been rated across key parameters. Overall course rating: 4. 5 out of 5 strategy simplicity. 4 out of 5 pricing value. 4 out of 5 ease of application. 4 out of 5 value for money. 5 out of 5 The most commonly praised aspects include the simplicity of the framework, the clarity of the instructor, and the tight-knit Discord community. Most negative feedback is centered around the short window for replays or the pace of the live sessions for absolute beginners. Final verdict: the 4-candles course is ideal for traders who want a proven, simple, and fast-to-implement strategy that doesn't require them to memorize dozens of indicators. It is not a magic formula, but it does offer a clean roadmap for traders who feel stuck or overwhelmed. It stands out in a market saturated with overly complex trading programs by focusing on execution, not theory. While it's not for everyone, especially advanced traders, it delivers on its promise for those who follow the system with discipline. If you're someone looking for clarity, confidence, and a repeatable trading method, 4-candles is well worth exploring. And if you're curious to see actual charts, step-by-step strategies, and behind-the-scenes insights, check out the full blog review linked in the description. It includes visuals, screenshots, and action tips to help you decide. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more honest reviews like this one.